week 3. So almost done with cleaning. Everything is out, so we're just gonna have to call the municipality so that they can take all the garbages, and we have to call the private companies as well. Once we gonna do the gut job, then we're gonna put everything together and put in that bin. And I just ordered HVAC, all new, and water heater for $5,000, so that should be delivered in 10 days. So that's also a most important thing to keep in mind. So many things going on behind the scenes. Just called the surveyor. So it looks like it is feasible to get the old survey because it was already subdivided into 3. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna contact an attorney here and to see the ways to get 3 separate deeds for 3 different lots. And I'm not sure how much that would be, but if we were to do a new survey, it would have cost us $4,000 to subdivide and for the whole process. So now the surveyor is going to come on site, and he's going to check the topography and to see like if it's feasible to build 2 houses, and he's going to let me know, and we'll see how much the process would be for that. And it's better for us if we can do that, so that we can have better idea what type of houses can be built on that properties. I mean, on that lots. Also, we got a notice from the township that we have to remove the garbages, and looks like they won't pick them up because it's too much for them. And that's the reality of working in New Township, you know, because in Monroeville everything can be picked up, but there they have restrictions, and you have to call them ahead for some of the stuff that they have to pick up, and they're not picking up anything from there. So that's that kind of sucks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a 30-yard dumpster, and it'll cost me about $678, and plus tax I believe it's gonna go up to $700, but that's worth it, and the limit is 6 tons. So but for that I'll have to get a permit. So they have 2 types of permits. If you're going to put on the road, you have to get a permit from the police department. If you're going to put it on your property, then you'll have to get a permit from the code enforcement. So that's also a new thing. So I called them, nobody picked up the phone, left voicemail. Probably, hopefully I'll hear by the end of the day today. Thank you. So I got off the phone with the real estate attorney, and we got a good news. Actually, 3 lots are indicated as separate lots, but in 1 deed, so that I can have 1 tax record. On the county side, it doesn't show 3 different lots, it shows just 1. So I just pay 1 tax for all 3 instead of doing 3. So I just save money and time there. Also, if I want to sell 2 lots or build houses, so they're gonna be treated as separate lots, and I can get a loan for each lot to build a house, or I can just sell them as is right now, and then we're gonna create a new deed for that lot. So once it's sold, it's just gonna indicate that 1 lot is sold, so I'm gonna have 2 lots left. If I'm gonna sell another one, it's gonna be with a new title deed, and it's gonna be transferred over. And the one that we have right now is gonna stay the same because it's already got a house. So, but right now, what we have to do, I'll probably get a quote from the surveyor for development. So we have all the utilities there on both sides, but the clearance between the road and the house should be, I believe he told me 20 feet. So it's gonna go to the middle So not like our house right now. It's about 10 feet, maybe a little less than that. So it's right on the road right now, actually, right next to it. So now he has to go all the way back. So we got to see how much the planning would cost for that, and based on that, maybe we can just sell 2 lots or keep them for future development, because it's situated in a great location right now. I love it. So surveyor is gonna let us know by the end of this week. He's gonna swing by, take a look at it, and let us know about it. So we saved about $4,000 to $5,000 for a survey. I'm actually thankful for the previous owner that they actually did everything clean and smooth, I would say, so that I can sell 2 lots or develop it or get a loan on each. So that's a good sign. And if I'm gonna get a HELOC, let's say on this property, I'm just gonna get on 1. So on the other 2, I can save them for future development, or if I'm gonna get a loan, then I can do it later on. So we just have to indicate what property or lot is going to into lien. So, and another news is that we are actually planning to downsize from our house and move to that house once it's done. Hopefully it turns out great according to our needs and demands and dreams and everything. So plans, right? So once we move there, we're gonna rent this one out, and we're gonna have no mortgage on that house because it's paid by cash. And we're gonna live there, and we're planning actually going down to Florida so that our kids can attend some school there. We're gonna try that out for 1 year to see if we like it there. If not, then we're gonna come back. We still have our house here, so stay tuned. All right, so I just got off the phone with the municipality. Got a permit. So there are 2 different types of permits. If you're gonna put on your property, you gotta get it from code enforcement, and if you're gonna put on the street, you have to get a permit from the police department. So, and then fees are different. So I'm not sure how much is from the code enforcement, but I got street parking. So I paid $50, and I'm getting 30-yard 6-ton dumpster. Hopefully that would be enough for everything we need. And the price is $687 or $675, something like that, close to $700. So and if you go over it, it's gonna be, and for 10 days, and additional day would be $15 per day. And if it goes over 6 tons, it's gonna be $50 per ton. And I called local scrap guy. He's gonna come take all the steel and metal and some of the stuff if he needs. So he's gonna swing by either today or tomorrow, and we're gonna save some money on that as well, because we're just scrapping everything with him. And we usually use him for cleaning up the old stuff, and for instead of using like a small dumpsters, he usually comes by and then cleans up everything. He charges me like $100, $150, $200 sometimes, and he pretty much takes everything. So he's a reliable guy. So all right, so we'll probably put the dumpster over here on this side. Hopefully it fits over here. Some stuff was picked up by neighbors and other people. We're gonna finish this garage as well. It's a huge garage. We're gonna drywall everything and put lights. We're gonna put recessed lighting here, and we might have to put 50 amp here for the Tesla charger. So the line is over here in the back. It goes all the way up to that pine tree over there. and then it goes to the corner over there. This one is right in the middle, so it looks like it goes up to here, and this one, and including those bushes, because if you step over this line, there would be park in the parking lot. So yeah, got 3 huge lots here. All right, so we're here on the home side right now, just measuring the windows, since we're changing the size and the location of 2 of them. All right, so we're gonna move this and this to here. Probably it's gonna stay over here, double. It's gonna be in this size, so it's about 34 to 48. We'll have a bigger windows, and we're gonna have double of them here, and we're gonna have more natural light coming in, since this one is gonna be covered in the bathroom. Just a quick layout update. So we're gonna have 2 bathrooms over here, 1 full bathroom with a shower on this master with this window, and on this side we're gonna have bathtub, which is going to be accessible for 2 bedrooms, number 1 and number 2 here. And once this bulk is removed, we're going to push this door a little bit inside. We're going to align it to this closet, probably here, and we're going to have a little more room for the closet. Also, the bathroom on this side would be accessible through here, and then this bedroom would be accessible from here. And we're gonna remove this closet since it's too small, and we're gonna have huge closet to this side. And the closet for the master would be from that wall all the way here until the door for the master. And probably this is gonna be half covered, and then open up the space for the door to the masters. And obviously we're gonna remove this wall. We're thinking about putting LVP all around the house, and just avoid the carpet and tiles. So it's gonna be like a seamless transition for all the rooms. All right, so I came to Home Depot to check out the cabinets. We're still battling between Hampton Bay, Avondale, and then Thomas Wheel cabinets. So the price is about $1,000 difference. Also, there's another option with cabinets to go. We've been using them for a long time now, and we know their quality, and we are happy about that for now. We just wanted to test new stuff, so we're still undecided. We're gonna go with this color, and afterwards we're gonna check LVPs. Came in to check countertops and backsplash. Looks like they're offering new color. I like the black one too. Tons of countertops and porcelains. Oh wow. So they got new cabinets now. I like this one actually. Modern style cabinets. Black ones. Alright, so Saturday of, I believe, 3rd week. Have a lot of things going on here right now. Deliveries, and then 30-yard dumpsters here. So loading up all the junk to the dumpster. It was supposed to be on the street. It looks like they couldn't fit it on the street, so they just left it there. Also, this was supposed to go inside. I don't know why they left it outside. All right, so we got pretty much mixture of everything: insulation, electrical, plumbing, tile. All right, thank you, brother. And bathtub, and then toilet. Pretty much everything that's needed. And we have drywalls over here, hardy backer, the shower, and then 2x4s. One is shorter, and then another one is longer, and this one is pressure treated one. So all this material came up to close to 6,000. It's about 5,900 with some changes, and ordered appliances for 2,100 because we needed a gas oven, gas stove. Also ordered HVAC for 5,000. I'm just rounding up the numbers. And LVP floor for the whole house, 3,600 with the staircase. And fixtures, light fixtures and everything, accessories related to accessories from Amazon for 2,500. It's a Prime Day and Prime Week, I believe it was, and we got good deals on them and faster delivery, even though we had a Prime membership. Also 2 shower doors. All the landscaping work is in full throttle. Cutting all the dead trees, branches, weeds, bushes, and everything. So the window order is almost ready. I just have to pay for it, leave a deposit, and then ETA is saying about 3-4 weeks. Hopefully we can get it in 2 weeks. So usually they get it in 2 weeks, so he's just giving me worst case scenario. So hopefully we can get that as soon as possible. And I gotta pay the processing fee, about I believe like 5% for credit cards, and if you pay cash or check, it's gonna be the same price. Also, they wanted to charge 3,500 or 3,600 to install 13 windows, and window price per window is $265. So we just eliminated one of these smaller windows and upgraded to a bigger one so that we can have 2 big windows in the master room.